11 Tips for Traveling in Southeast Asia, What to Bring and Do. Hello, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and diverse world of Southeast Asia. I recently explored several countries in this enchanting region, and I've compiled a list of essential tips to make your journey both comfortable and budget-friendly. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or embarking on your first adventure, these tips will ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Let's get started. Tip 1. Plan ahead for discounts. When it comes to plane tickets and hotels, timing is everything. Consider purchasing them in advance, especially on important dates or during special events. Websites like Agoda, Traveloka, Airbnb, Eurasia, and Skyscanner offer great deals. Compare prices, including taxes and insurance, to find the best option for your budget. Tip 2. Currency exchange wisdom. Save money by exchanging currency at your country's money changer before your trip. It's much cheaper than doing it at the destination airport. If you have extra currency when returning, consider exchanging it for dollars. You can later exchange those dollars for your home currency at a potentially higher rate. Tip 3. Essential sacred item, power bank. Don't forget the holy grail of modern travel, the power bank. A small, portable one can save your day when your smartphone runs out of juice. Trust me, it's a lifesaver during solo walks or unexpected adventures. Tip 4. Connectivity choices, SIM card or portable Wi-Fi. Stay connected with a SIM card or portable Wi-Fi, whichever suits your needs. Buying SIM cards online is often cheaper. If you choose the airport option, be prepared for higher prices. Portable Wi-Fi is an alternative, but having a local number is essential for various applications. Tip 5. Pack smart for the tropics. Prepare for the tropical weather in Southeast Asia by packing essentials like an umbrella, sandals, and a mini portable fan. These items will make your travel more comfortable. Don't forget a small notepad and pen for jotting down important information. Tip 6. Master public transportation. Save on transportation costs by learning about public transit options, routes, and payment methods in advance. Familiarize yourself with local transportation apps like Move It. Opt for one-way payments instead of cards to make your travel more economical and efficient. Tip 7. Keep important documents safe. Ensure important documents like your passport stay safe and dry. Use a passport protector for added security, especially during unexpected rains. Your vital documents will remain intact even if your bag gets wet. Tip 8. Bargain traditions. Embrace the art of bargaining. Always ask for the price when shopping for souvenirs, clothes, or taking a taxi. Many places in Southeast Asia operate on bargaining traditions, so don't hesitate to negotiate and get the best deal. Tip 9. Plug type awareness. Don't get caught without a charge. Check the type of plug used in the country you're visiting. Some countries use 2 or 3 hole plugs, so be prepared to charge your devices without any hiccups. Tip 10. Explore free and cheap attractions. Create a list of free and affordable tourist attractions. Many famous spots like museums are often open to the public for free. Booking in advance and choosing the right visiting hours can make your experience just as enjoyable as paid attractions. Tip 11. Language skills matter. Enhance your travel experience by learning basic English and essential local vocabulary. Communication is key, and having language skills will open doors to assistance and friendships from people across different countries. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to make your journey through Southeast Asia memorable and stress-free. If you have additional tips or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. Wishing you all a fantastic and safe trip ahead. Bon voyage! Thanks for watching.